Hi guys, so good afternoon. This is our day 3 here in Pinakpaligi, Candaba, Pampanga. So far, so good. Maganda yung pwestuhan natin dito.
This was my view today. How was yours?
Hi, good afternoon po. Ice coffee. Hi po, ice coffee. Hi ma'am, sir, good afternoon. Ice coffee. Good afternoon po, ice coffee. Matcha Oreo and hot coffee available. Good afternoon po. Sarap po yung sa kape, oh, puto. Tsaka masarap po yan. Pa? Yes po. Yung cold brew, black lang siya. Wala po siyang sugar. Hi ma'am, sir. Good afternoon. Ice coffee. Sige po.
Alam ko na may mata na nagbabantay kung paano ako sasablay.
Hi sir. Good afternoon po. Ice coffee. Welcome sa Pinakpaligi, Candaba, Pampanga. Good afternoon po. Ice coffee. Matcha Oreo and hot coffee. Good afternoon po. Hi, good afternoon. Ice coffee.
Daming nagtulak sa akin palaging maging ganado.